If you're at home or commuting and looking for a game to play with your friends, you can try out this game called Scrabble Go. It's a word game and it's really fun. This game is available for free on Google Play Store and does require a constant internet connection, so make sure that you have Wi-Fi or cellular data enabled, otherwise this game would not work. Now once you open the app, the design might seem a little bit of overwhelming for you, but once you start the game, I assure you that it will be a truly addictive experience. Now I mentioned before that this game requires a constant internet connection, and the reason for that is that you will be playing against other online players or friends that you know on Facebook. So I already have a couple of active games going on, but first I'm going to show you guys how the game gets started, and that is by just pressing the new game option. And there are a couple of modes that they have, so you can either play it with a bot or you can go with the Scrabble Classic. And they also have tournaments and duels as well. So the duels have a time limit of 40 seconds for each turn. I'm going to demonstrate how it works with the Classic. So I'm going to click on Match Me and it's going to find me someone. So the person has already made his move, and here is how the game works. So the player gets 7 letters or 7 characters, and they need to form a word, and they need to start out in the middle, and each character out here or a letter has a score associated with it. So let's say the M has a score of 3, A has a score of 1, J has a score of 8. So your score is based on what characters you use to form your word. For example, if I go with jam, then my score is 12. However, if I go with word like an, my score is 2. If I go with man, then my score is 5 because it's 3 plus 1 plus 1. You do get additional points if your letter falls on any of these tiles as well. So DL, TL, DW, TW. If your character falls for your word on any of these tiles, then you will score more points. For example, when I have the word MA with M having a score of 3, if I move it to DL, my score becomes 7. So you have to play the game smartly. Something to know is that you can either have your words linearly or horizontally. Now there are a lot of other rules as well, but you will get to familiarize it with once you start playing the game. Now I have created this word called names, and I'm gonna submit it, and looks like I have a higher score now, and the turn will pass back to Alex. Now a really good and interesting feature about this game is that you can actually play it with multiple players at the same time, because let's say Alex just played his turn and now he went to do something else, and he can come back and play with you, and then the turn passes to you, but you don't want to keep waiting for Alex to respond. So you can start playing it with the other players as well in the meantime, and you get to know a lot of other new words by interacting with other people. And a really good feature about this game as well is that you can select the word and get the definition as well. So it's a really good learning experience. Now there are some other features in the app as well, like let's say you're playing with someone and you can't think of a word that will score you more points. You can actually go through these 3 tools that they give you, and let's say this one suggests you a word which will score you a lot of points. Now for the game I am playing, the tools were available for free. However, usually they charge crystals, which you earn by playing different game rounds, or you can shop for them as well. So depending on you're really looking to win against someone, maybe you'll end up buying crystals, but I suggest you guys to look at more like a learning experience. So if you can't really think and you've tried too hard, try using the crystals, but otherwise I wouldn't recommend it that you pay and spend too much money. The app does support messaging feature as well. So let's say you're playing with someone, you can send them messages as well. And for those who are interested, there is a leaderboard as well. My score right now is 3,590. For me, this game has been a truly addictive multiplayer gaming experience. Let me know through comments what you think about this game. Thank you for watching this video. I'm out.